In this episode, we're touring CoCo Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas. We'll take a loop around the island and see the major places to spend time. This was early on a rainy day, so not a lot of people will be in the pictures or video. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. Starting off with Hideaway Beach, this premium experience has a couple of options, from beach access to a cabana. The cabana comes with drinks and food included. There is also a cabana attendant who will refill the drinks and bring the food items to your location. There are beach chairs available as well as the infinity pool. As you can tell from it being sunny, this is from one of our previous trips, and as you can see, there's a refrigerator with your drinks, a little sink, and here's a view of the overall area. When you get to the island from the ship, you'll see a dance performance and the entrance to the thrill park. This is an additional fee area with water slides and other water park features. The area immediately to the right when you leave the pier has tram stops to go to and from the ship as well as around the island. The tram stops at South Beach, which is a free area with multiple activities and places to sit, as well as go swimming or snorkeling. At the far end of South Beach is the nature trail, which leads you over to Cove Beach, a quiet area for sitting, relaxing, or swimming. The CoCo Beach Club is an area which you can reserve in the app or on the website. There are chairs and a pool as well as overwater cabanas, and it has some premium food options while you're there as well. And here's the area across from the Oasis lagoon, which has beach activities such as volleyball, a little library, and some other activities for kids and families. And you also see the overwater bungalows there. Oasis Lagoon is a very large enclosed pool area with a bridge across the middle, and there's plenty of activities. There's a swim-up bar, and there's also plenty of chairs and umbrellas for people to partake in. And then back out across from Oasis Lagoon again is an open swimming area, and then there's more cabanas over the water and some small areas that you can get items such as kayaks and paddleboards. Chill Grill is one of the main food areas on the island. It is right near Chill Island Beach area, and as you can see, there's plenty of room for people. Obviously, again, this was during the early hours and a rainy day, so there are not a lot of people there already. However, as we walk through, you can see those things that are available to you, from tacos and salsa to toppings, as well as burgers and other sandwiches. Chill Island is the main free area, open to everybody. There's also daybed type cabanas, which you can reserve. The cost varies based on availability, so the longer you wait, the higher the price or the inventory may be gone. This is one of the main swimming areas for everybody who goes on to CoCo Cay. As you can see throughout it, there are lifeguards at every swimming location. Just behind Chill Island Beach area is the straw market area with small shops with shirts, hats, and other souvenirs. Here's a quick look at those daybed to cabana type areas in Chill Island. Chill Island is just off to the left as you get onto the island from the ship area. Going back toward the main entrance area to the island are Captain Jack's open air bar and restaurant, and there's also Captain Jill's Galleon, a water themed park and playground for the kids. As we close out our tour of CoCo Cay on this rainy day, thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful or informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to help us grow our channel. And as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.